Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial of ApplePie. So inside this tutorial you will notice that there's a several slides and I have set each slide for each step. So for step 1 is this slide, this is step 2, step 3 up to the last step which is step 10. So I have 10 slides for each step. For step 1 I have set some button menu here, and you can see for each menu when you click here there's no action because I'm in step 1. When you click here you will jump to slide 3, and when you click here you will jump to slide 4. With that series, when you click here you have to jump to slide 11, which is a slide with step 10. This one, step 10. So the same I have done for the second step. When you click here you will jump to slide 2, which is this one. When you click here there's no any action because you are in the second slide already. When you click here you'll jump to slide 4, slide 5 up to slide 11. Likewise I've done for the fourth slide. When you click here you'll jump to slide 3, here too, here you'll jump to slide 11. So this is how it works. But there's something that I want to show you about animation. When you click this image, you will notice that when you go here on time and animation, you'll notice that there's some kind of animation of moving from right to left. So in this one I'm moving from right to left because I want to animate this one to happen like as if they are image sliders. So I'll make this one from right to left, and I have two animation for this one, and I have the second one is zoom in. It means while it is moving from right to left, but I want it to zoom in. So you will see the animation like something is zooming in. And in here, in this image, when I click here, there is also right to left animation from here to here. When you hover here, you can see. And also I have a fade in zoom, I also want to zoom this image while it is moving from right to left. I want it to zoom so that to be a little bit bigger. To demonstrate this animation, I will start by moving to the fifth slide, which is step 4. I'll go here down here. I'll show all the images which are hidden. These are all images which were hidden. So I will scroll here this image, all the image I want to be visible, and see what kind of animation I'm trying to do. Yeah, so this is kind of image that I have 6 images, and you can notice that this is 2 different images, and this is 2 different images, and this is 2 different images, while I have 6 images and 2 different images in each section, because I would like to show one image is disappearing. So in this case this image will disappear, will move from this point to this point, will move from this point to this point, and this one will move from center to this point, and this one will move from this point to center, while this one will move from this point to this point. So this will move from here, and this will move from to center, and this one will move to here. But in reality these images are not moving. All the images which are shown as if they are moving, for example this one which is moving from here to here, you will notice that this image it will appear at 0.5 time. So I want to animate from here to here, while this one it will appear at 0 point. So while this one is moving from here to here, this one will show up in the 0.5 second, and this one will move from here to here at 0 time, 0 second, and will move from right to left, while this one will move from center to the left, but will disappear at 0.6 because I don't want this to show this image, but instead I have another image which is this one, which will show at 0.5 second. And when it comes to these images, This one will show at 0 second from right to left, and this one will show at 0 second from this point to center. If you have ever worked on any animation project, it's very easier for you to understand how to work on this animation thing. If you have never worked before, you need a little bit to have a little experience on animations to understand how to make this work. But you can preview this sample and check some other slides. All the slides I have done the same, by the way, except for slide 1. And the reason behind is that for slide 1 there's no image here in the beginning. So what I did, I animate for 2 images, this one and this one. And for the last slide, I for the last slide, I have also I'm having 2 images. So I'm animating this image to show as if it is moving from here to here. This image will disappear at 0.6 time, and this will show at 0.5 time. So you won't notice if this is different image from this one. When in behind there's no other image. Let me unhide all the images behind. You'll be able to see. Yes, and this one it is moving from right to left. So while this one is moving here, this one is also moving from right to left, which is the image which I have here at the center. Thank you guys for watching this. You have to check this timeline here. The timeline will help you to understand which image I have used at what second. Then you can have idea, because there's no formula for understanding these animations unless you make some trials so that you can understand how they are working. Thank you guys for watching this.